How to activate your account using your e-wallet. Once your e-wallet is funded, you are now ready to purchase your membership package. Click the Buy button. Go to Membership Package. Select Buy Package. Select your membership package. Type the quantity. In this case, let's put 3. Select Auto Structure if you wish the system to do the placement for you. Set up your PIN number and your default auto placement. Click Submit. Now, let's choose how you want to receive your membership package. You can either select Pickup from the office, which is free, or door-to-door delivery. Click Final Step. View Order Summary. Check the details. If correct, click Go to Payment. Use e-wallet to pay. Click Pay Now to pay your order. Now your account is automatically activated by the system and your child accounts. Second and third in this case are also automatically activated and placed by the system. Congratulations! Thank you for watching.